Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be testing out again the Revolution Party Pooches palette. So I have tested this out not long ago, like my first impressions, but I thought of doing another video but doing a look with it. Like, I really want to create a really fun look with this palette, so I'm going to do some swatches for you guys. I'm going to make a nice little look out of it, maybe two. I might even do 2 eye looks out of this, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So this palette is just beautiful. Like, the front of it is gorgeous, but the inside of the palette itself is just beautiful. It's so stunning. The colours are just gorgeous. They're really creamy as well, which is something that I really love. So I thought we could do a little look with this palette and just try it out again and see how we get on. So I have actually been out today. We went to the park with my daughter. For the first time we actually went to a park. She's 14 months old and it was so nice to see her on the swings and the slide. And she was like watching other children play. It was just a really nice. It's so small, such a small thing, but it was really nice for her to do. So I'm gonna go in with something quite bright. I feel like doing something bright, even though it's like Sunday afternoon. I'm not going anywhere, but I want to do this anyway. So I think for the first look, I'm gonna go in with the colour Ball Pit, which is this brown here. Actually, let's do some swatches first. So I'm gonna swatch some of the shimmers, and I'm literally gonna show you guys how they look like on my hand. They are really comfortable, like really nice comfortable feeling when you like press them. They're just so pretty that, excuse the fake tan, but they're just so pretty. Like, the colours are just unreal. I can't quite get my head around how pigmented these colours are. This palette, for the price of it, and obviously, yeah, for the price of it, is just amazing. The palette offers such a good amount of colours, and it offers really good shimmers there as well. So I will do a few of the mattes so you can see as well. So these are some of the mattes. I'm really sorry about this fake tan, but these are some of the mattes. Again, they're absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at that pink. Oh, so pretty. So let's get on with some looks. So first of all, I'm going to go in with that colour Ball Pit, and I'm going to pop it just in the crease. I knew my cat would start whining as soon as I film. So I have ordered myself some brushes and I'm really excited. I've actually ordered some brushes from Real Techniques because these brushes are just no good. I do not like them. They're just rubbish. My brushes are actually from, I think this one is one from like Amazon that I picked up when I first started doing YouTube, and like makeup and stuff, and I really don't like it. It just is not good. Can you see how harsh it is? I feel like I need a smaller brush than this, so I'm going to try and go in with something a little bit more dense, but I still don't feel like it works very well. Snugs, stop whining. If you hear my cat, she wants to come in, but I can't let her in because she just annihilates my filming area and wires will be everywhere. So, I'm sorry. So I really love that colour. It's really nice. It blends really nice. It's just the brushes that aren't so good. So I'm going to make sure that we do the same over this side. So I'm going to take a darker colour just for the outer corner. So I think I'm going to take this pink. It's not so much darker, but it's like a different sort of colour. I'm going to take the colour Clique, this one here, this pink, and I'm going to pop it on the outer corner and then just blend it in a bit. Yeah, I like it. It's nice. So I'm going to leave that eye because I'm going to do something different with that. So I think I want to do a pinky blue look, like or maybe purple, I don't know. I want to do something quite pretty and girly. So I was thinking like a nice pink and purple, but I don't think we have a purple. We've got a hot pink and we've got a more of a, I don't even know what colour this is, Celebrate. It's quite silvery, but it's got like a tint of blue. So I think I'm going to do the colour Celebrate because it's quite bright, and then I think I'm going to do Porty, which is this like quite nudie pink. So I am going to start off with the colour Porty, and I'm going to put it in the middle area of my eye. So I'm going to take my finger because I feel like with shimmers your finger just works a lot better. So I'm going to literally apply it. Wow, that is gorgeous. I've got a bit underneath, but hey, that is just wow. I love. That is so pretty. So I'm just going to take this colour that I had on my brush before and try and like blend it in a bit. You could really build these shimmers up. These are just stunning. They feel really buttery. They feel so soft. Like so soft. With one swipe they just feel extremely soft, which I love. I love that. So for the other part of my eye, I'm going to take the colour Celebrate, and this is going to be quite bright. This one is very bright. It's more of like a blue, and I'm going to pop that in the more inner corner bit. Wow. These colours just blend so nice. Oh, I love it. I just love it. So I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to take some more Porty, that pink, and I'm just going to go over it a bit, just so it's more blended in. And then on the other side I'm going to take some of the Celebrate and I'm going to pop that just over the top again. I feel like with these shades I've got quite a bit of fallout though. Like, I don't know if you can see that there, but there is a lot of fallout. It's fine. That's the kind of thing sometimes you have to accept with palettes, but throughout the rest of the palette, like throughout the colours, if you want to look for like a nice creamy palette, this is definitely creamy and buttery. It's lovely. Love how these colours are. They're so buttery and creamy and they just glide on your eyes so nicely. Like, they're not chalky. Some palettes can be quite chalky when you pick them up. I don't know if you know what I mean, but they can be quite chalky when you're picking them up and it can feel like you're kind of dragging it across your eye. But this is really nice. So I'm gonna keep it as it is. I really love that. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the colour Dance Floor, this one here, and I'm gonna pop it just under my brow bone. Like so, and then a bit in the inner corner as well. And then what you can do is just blend it in a bit, because it can be a little bit harsh under your brow, but ooh, I love it. So I'm gonna now do something with this eye. So for the outer corner bit, I think I'm gonna go more blue. So I'm gonna take the colour Night Out, which is this blue colour here, and I'm going to pop that on the outer corner bit here. Oh, wow, that's pretty. So I'm kind of just like packing it on and then sort of blending it up a bit. So I'm going to do something quite blue because I feel like, I don't know, I've always felt like blue suits my eyes. Like, I've got quite grey, I don't know, like grey blue eyes, and I feel like a really deep blue always looks really nice. So I'm gonna just work that in a bit, just make sure it's blended nicely a little bit. And then I think I'm gonna do something quite blue, but I don't know what. I feel like I want to do pink, but I can't because I've done pink already. I don't even know. This is quite, that's quite green, right? Nice though. Really nice actually. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So it's called After Party. This one doesn't feel as buttery. This one feels quite, not chalky, but just different. Can't explain it, but I'm gonna pop that all over the lid. I never really do like dark colours, to be honest, but I quite like experimenting lately. I can't wait to get my brushes. Things will just look a lot better. So I do love that because it's quite a smoky look, but I'm just not sure about that shade. It just doesn't go on as buttery and soft. It's quite, I don't know. So I think I'm going to take this colour called Dance Floor, which I use for my highlight under my brow, and I'm just going to pop that over this section here. So I feel like every colour that I've tried so far, except that dark blue colour, is fine. Like I feel like it looks nice and it glides on nice, but for some reason that colour After Party just was not playing ball with me. So I'm just going to pack a little bit more of that Dance Floor colour on, just to kind of just dim that blue down a bit. I don't know how I feel about it. It's a nice colour. I've kind of like made it more of a shimmer, like quite light blue. I feel like I prefer the pink side, but let me know what you think. So I'm going to put some mascara on and then I'll be back and I'll give you my final thoughts. I'm back. I'm really sorry if you can hear my cat in the background, she's doing my head in. But this is the final result. I honestly love the palette. I love the colours. I really do love the colours. I feel like every single colour except from that After Party colour worked for me. There was something about that bluey green colour that just didn't feel right on my eyes. But one colour out of however many I've used and swatched is really good. I mean, it swatched really nice, like it swatched quite nice, but for some reason it just didn't look great on my lid. I love this palette. I think it's really nice. I keep saying it, but I do love the palette. I think it's a lovely little everyday kind of palette. I'm just going to put some just under my brow, just so it matches a bit. Yeah, so I do love the palette. I think it's really nice. It's definitely very, very affordable, which is a really, really good thing. And the packaging is just so cute. So I do hope they bring a cat one out because I will be all for that. I'm much more of a cat person. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you are new and let me know down below what palette you would like to see next from me. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye!